nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. I wanted to share this with you. I just picked this thing up. I do some welding here poorly on the farm, and I needed a new welding helmet because the one I have, it just didn't autocorrect, I guess, anymore. So I got this. This was something I got on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it. Go Ganova. That's the best guess I can for pronouncing it. But it's a welding helmet. And let's go ahead and take it out and check it out. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box, or out of the bag, I should say. Might even hang on to the bag. Well, here it is. Not bad, actually. Better quality than the Harbor Freight one that it is replacing. So on the side here, we've got some settings. Sensitivity. Shade. Delay. And then we have even settings here, grinding at 5.0 and 8 to 13, so I guess brightness levels perhaps. Now that is quite an upgrade from the Harbor Freight unit that I've had. And it's got kind of a flat black finish to it. Go Ganova, make profession easy. I think that works for me. On the back, or inside here I should say, here's our little, I'll get closer to that. So here's the headband, adjustable back here. So just test fit it. Actually, wow, that's like perfect right there. I don't have to make any adjustment on that. All right, cool. All right, so on the inside and on the outside, it's got labels that need to come off here. So, all right. Well, let's see how clear it is. Oh yeah, I mean this is fine. The equivalent of just like a light shade of tinted glasses, you know, like sunglasses. And there is a test button. If I can get my finger up in here. Oh yeah. Works beautifully. Let's see if I can get the camera up to it. All right, let's see. Here it is. I'll hit the test. So beautiful. Works really well. On the inside here, their headrest, and there's solar. There's so hard to see that. There's solar right there on the front side. Maybe you can see it. This whole row right here, that's solar panel. So that charges while you weld or while you have it out in the sunlight like this. So perfect. Well, I guess that'll do it. Pretty awesome. Definitely an upgrade from the Harbor Freight one. The Harbor Freight unit I had was their cheapest. At the time it was $35, but with hyperinflation, who knows what it costs these days. This one costs a little bit more than that, but also offers a lot of extra features and functions. So yeah, time will tell, but initial impressions, that's going to be a great helmet. I guess that'll do it for tonight, my friends. I'm Eric, and I will see you next time.